Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Reefs. I'm super excited to talk about this video today, but before we get started, I'm gonna need you guys to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate that. I made my bed, so therefore you have to like this video. Come on, just do it. Also, been looking at my analytics and it says that only 25% of you guys are subscribed to the channel, so if you're that other 75%, make sure you guys subscribe right now. That would be amazing and it would really make my day. Come on, I know you want to make my day a bit better. Also, sorry if I seem tired in this video. I did not sleep that well, and yeah, I just don't look the best, okay? But that's besides the point. Today, we're going to be talking about how I was able to make $100 a day with only around 30,000 followers on Instagram. So if that sounds interesting to you, this is what this video is going to be about, and I'm going to be explaining how I did it, step by step, and what I do to continually keep up this $100 a day with the 30,000 followers that I have continually over a month, because I was actually able to be consistent for about a month long of gaining $100 a day around for only having 30,000 followers on Instagram, and I was using theme pages. So let's not waste any time and let's get straight to it. Okay, so I'm gonna explain real quick what I did, and first we're gonna talk about the theme pages that I have. I have 5 theme pages. 5 of them have around 1,000 followers, and one has 20,000, 25,000 around. And so those are the main theme pages. They're all in the teen kind of TikTok reposting niche area, and that's where I was growing them. And then to actually get the money, I didn't sell any products, and you guys are probably like, what? And the reason for that is I was using this app called the Plug app. The Plug app is an app where it's like a station or a hub for a bunch of different apps that give you offers, like, you know, per download. So each download you get a certain amount of plug coins, and with those plug coins you can exchange them for actual currency. For the offers that I was doing for this app, the rate was about $1 per download, and so I was using this app called the Fitness app to promote on my Instagram pages, and with those I was able to get $100 a day, and I'm going to explain how in a second. And I was able to get $100 a day by around 100 people a day, around give or take 100 people a day downloading the app. And so I wasn't selling any products, I wasn't selling shout outs, I wasn't doing that, no drop shipping at all. I was just using this app, and it worked really well, and I was able to get a payout every single day. And if you guys want to check out the app before we get started, I'll leave a link in the description, and you guys can go sign up. Also, I'm gonna leave some referral codes. If you guys use my referral code, I'm pretty sure you get a certain amount of plug coins. I'm not sure how much it is, but I'm pretty sure if you use my referral code, I get some plug coins, and you do too. So, you know, you might as well just use a referral code. I would also really appreciate it, and it would mean a lot to me. So thank you if you do download the app and use my referral code. Now, here's what I did. Instead of using the advertisements that they offered, for the Fitness app, there was pre-made advertisements, and then you could make your own advertisement and just use that link. Instead of using the pre-made advertisement, I was just assuming that pretty much everyone who's following theme pages right now have seen these advertisements, therefore they're not going to engage with these advertisements, and it doesn't make any sense if they already have the app, or if they've already seen this advertisement, they're probably just going to click off or just scroll away and not engage with my post. And the way to make things go viral on Instagram is to have a lot of engagement. So I do not want to just post an ad that everyone's seen already. Like, that doesn't make any sense. It's not going to get engagement. It's not going to be shown to a bunch of people on my feed on Instagram, and it's not going to hit the explore page. So I was then making my own ads in a TikTok type format to where it's actually engageable and people actually want to watch it. So I made my ads on TikTok, and then I would download them and I put them on Instagram, and then I would post them, and the post did really well. I got 20,000 likes on my first post with this advertisement. Did very well, 200,000 views, thousands of shares, just did great. People liked the advertisement, which is not, like, that's the goal with advertising, is to actually get people to actually like the advertisement and watch it. And I was able to do that. Instead of using the advertisements that people have already made, just make your own. And that's pretty much the trick and the tip that I have for you with this app. And that's how, when I posted it, people were downloading it at a crazy rate. I was getting $100 a day around, give or take. I was also cashing out halfway through the day because you can cash out whenever on the app, and I'll show my PayPal right here. As you can see, I was just cashing out like $50 to $60 every few hours. I was just enjoying $50 to $60, and it goes straight to my PayPal, and it was great. I was just being able to use that ad that I made myself, post it on Instagram, and it's actually doing well. And then what I would do, once that advertisement has been seen by my 5 pages and all their followers, I would take that advertisement, switch up some words, switch up the advertisement to make it a whole new one that you couldn't recognize before, so that they wouldn't recognize it, and then they'd want to engage with it. And I would do that again, and it was successful over and over and over again, because I was able to switch up the ad each time. And by switching up the ad each time, they would not recognize it on the Explore page, and they wouldn't recognize it in their feed as something they've already seen. So by changing up the advertisement, I was able to just get reoccurring downloads, more downloads, hit the Explore page again, because again, like if they've already seen it, they're not going to engage with it, but if it's something new, they are going to engage with it, and that's the goal. And that's how it's going to actually get on the Explore page, and that's what you're wanting to do. You want to get your ad on the Explore page, which is very hard because advertisements generally have very low engagement. They're not really meant to get a lot of engagement, but if you can make your advertisement viral, like I did, viral advertising, and get 200,000 views on one advertisement on an account that you have 20,000 followers on, that's really the goal. And that's what I took away from this situation. I could have either used the one that they've already made, get 1,000 views on the post, maybe get 10 downloads, maybe make $10, or I could make my own advertisement, put my own time in it. It took me like maybe 10 minutes to make the advertisement, post it on my Instagram, have it go viral, and get $100 a day from that one advertisement, then switch it up in a week, post it again. And I wasn't spamming these, I was posting every week, just one advertisement, but I switched it up every week, and that's how you do it, and that's how you are going to be successful and get money, reoccurring money every month. And I will continue to do that, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today, is being able to actually make a viral advertisement and being able to utilize Instagram's algorithm, because the Instagram algorithm is going to work in your favor if you have a viral content and you are able to use the algorithm in your favor and make a video that people actually are going to want to watch. And on top of that, also have it be an advertisement and not have to sell a product. It's absolutely amazing. That's why I love the app, is because I can just take any download. It's either a game or a fitness app like I was using, and you just promote it in your own creative way, abusing the algorithm on Instagram, and make hundreds of dollars a day just from 20,000 to 30,000 followers. Look, guys, total at the time, I had 27,000 followers on 5 pages. And therefore, I was able to make $100 a day on 5 pages, totaling 27,000 followers. That's insane. Has not been done that I'm aware of. I mean, I don't really know, but those are very low numbers for high return, and I just want to talk about this in today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I kind of gave you guys a step-by-step on how you guys can do this too. Also, if you guys want to download the app's great. You can cash out every day. It's not paid. I'm not paid by Plug App or anything. But if you guys want to use my referral code, I'll leave some codes down below, and you just type it in, and maybe you'll get some Plug coins. I'm not really too sure. I'm not going to promise you anything, but I'm pretty sure when you sign up with my referral code that you get some Plug coins for free that you can exchange for real money, and I would also just really appreciate it. Also, if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with bell notifications turned on, and also leave a like on this video. It's very good for the YouTube algorithm. Anyways, this has been Reefs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go make some money.